Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my channel Traveling with Jusoli. Today I am not talking about Dubai but about something truly historic that the entire world has been waiting for. Something that connects us directly to ancient civilization, mystery, and human greatness. Yes, the Grand Egyptian Museum now open for everyone in Egypt. One of the most anticipated world of culture and history. What is the Grand Egyptian Museum? So now we will talk about Grand Egyptian Museum. The Grand Egyptian Museum, also called GEM. This is short form. Grand Egyptian Museum is located just a few kilometers away from the Great Pyramids of Giza. It is not just another museum, it is a masterpiece of modern architecture built to protect and celebrate the rich heritage of ancient Egypt. This is the largest archaeological museum ever built. The journey of this museum started back from many years ago. Thousands of Egyptian and international experts, engineers, and artists worked together to make this dream come true. It has cost over $1 billion and it stands as a symbol of national pride for Egypt. What makes it so special? So, we will talk about what makes it so special. Now, let's talk about what is inside. The Grand Egyptian Museum will showcase around many ancient artifacts telling the story of Egypt. The highlight of the museum is the complete Tutankhamun collection. Yes, the legendary King Tutankhamun collection. For the first time ever, all lot items discovered in his tomb will be displayed together in one place, from his golden mask to his jewelry, chariots, and even his sandals. Can you believe? Yes, everything has been beautifully restored and preserved. You will also see incredible statue of Ramesses. Yes, and you will also see Queen Hatshepsut and many more ancient icons. There is even a massive grand staircase that takes visitors on a visual journey through Egyptian history. Now, technology meets history. We will talk about technology meets history. This museum is not only about the past, it is about how modern technology meets ancient history. GEM, it means Grand Egyptian Museum, uses interactive digital displays, holographic projections, and 3D mapping to make history come alive. Visitor can walk through ancient Egypt virtually, explore temples, and even see how mummies were preserved thousands of years ago. Behind the scene, Gem Grand Egyptian Museum has one of the world's largest conservation and restoration laboratories where scientists work to preserve artifacts for future generation, and the location absolutely stunning. From the museum glass, visitor can see the Great Pyramid of Khufu, one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. It is like time travel, standing between the oldest monument of human history and the newest symbol of Egypt pride. The inauguration will be attended by global leaders, archaeologists, celebrities, and media from around the world. It is not just an Egyptian celebration, it is a moment of global importance, showing how human creativity and history connect us all. Even though I am here in Dubai right now, I truly feel proud and excited for this event. It is not just Egypt achievement, it's a gift to all of humanity. Why you should visit? If you ever plan to visit Egypt, the Grand Egyptian Museum should be the at top of your travel list. Imagine walking beside the golden treasures of the pharaoh, seeing the mummies, and standing face to face with the stories you once read in books. This museum will redefine how we understand ancient civilization, and I personally believe it will become one of the most visited museums in the world. Alongside closing message. Now I want to give you closing message. So my friends, this is not just a museum. It's a bridge between the ancient and modern world. It is a celebration of knowledge, art, and human history. From here in Dubai, I just wanted to share this beautiful moment with all of you because history belongs to everyone, no matter where we are. If you love exploring world wonders, culture, and travel stories, make sure to subscribe to my channel and I will keep bringing you amazing updates like this one. So now you can tell me in the comments, would you love to visit the Grand Egyptian Museum someday? Or which ancient Egyptian story fascinates you the most? Thank you for watching this video and also take care everyone and see you in the next video. You can tell us also which topic you need more video in comment section. I will make video for you, and if you like this my video, please don't forget to share my channel and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So take care everyone. Thank you.